How to withdraw money from Binance. Now first of all, open your Binance app and go to the top left corner and click on that icon. Now from here, as you can see, we need to go to P2P option. Now tap on it. And from here, we need to tap on sell. And now as you can see, we want to sell our USDT. So for example, if you don't have the USDT, you have another coin. For example, you have like Doge or your balance on Doge. Now what you need to do is just tap on USDT and tap like Doge, as you can see, to be able to sell it, or any coin that you want. For example, if you have PP, you can't. So it's like we have just these coins. For example, PP. So in this case, what we need to do is just go back. It's easy. We need to like use the convert option. Now tap on convert and now tap on it. Now what we need to do is convert our token that's called PayPath. For this I will just use it. And now what we want to convert is the 2 USDT, that coin that's available in P2P to sell. Now enter how much you want to sell, like 100, and this is how much you will receive. So after you convert your PayPath to USDT, now you have the balance on USDT. Now go back and now open the P2P. Now you are able to withdraw your money that you convert from PP to USDT. So as you can see, select USDT. Now select the payment that you are ready to go. Select from this, like bank transfer or cash app or anything that you want. Now from here, select this buyers. Now after you select one, click on or tap on sell. Now this is enter how much you want to sell. And now select the payment method from here, as you can see. And after that, read the instructions from the buyer, and now you can place your order. And this is how to withdraw money from Binance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.